Hey guys, so today we're going to be mowing the backyard with a rotary mower. I'm going to be using my Toro 22-inch recycler machine. It's a great machine. Haven't cut the backyard since October. It's been a little while, so it's getting a little shaggy, but going to be bagging the clippings today and getting everything up so it's nice and clean, and do a pre-emergent application here in the next couple weeks or so. So here's what I'm going to be using. My Toro 22-inch recycler Smart Stow self-propelled machine. I really like the Smart Stow feature. It's given me some room to maximize my storage along the garage wall, and I bought it last year. It's worked out great so far. Guys, I have to tell you, I cannot stand acorns. The front yard, we had two white oak trees that just dropped a ton of acorns, and let me tell you, I hated it every day trying to clear off the lawn before I mowed. It was a pain. Back here we still have this oak tree, which you can see drops a ton of acorns, and honestly I can't stand it. So we'll see. I'd like to get rid of this tree. Right now it gives us some good shade, especially in the late afternoon to evening. I don't know, maybe the end of the year we'll get rid of it, or maybe next year, we'll see. Alright guys, so I haven't spent a whole lot of time back here in the backyard. I've really focused and concentrated on the front yard. I've pushed the front yard last year to fill in, to really get a good schedule to the lawn with fertilizer, and try to push the grass that way. But the backyard I haven't really focused on a whole lot. I just mowed it pretty infrequently. So this year I'll be more focused on getting the backyard to a good place where I'm more consistent weed control, fertilizing, and more frequent mowing, probably a couple times a week. So it looks pretty green right now, but trust me, there's a lot of weeds down here. And last fall I put in some ryegrass and some perennial rye, and just to keep the erosion control in place. But this year I'm going to let the Bermuda go, so probably here in the next week or two I'll just kill everything. I'll kill the whole backyard just with some some non-selective herbicides. So looking forward to just having it all be Bermuda back here. There will be some areas where I'll have to maybe think of some other solutions where there's a lot more shade. Bermuda doesn't really grow well in the shade, unfortunately, so I've got to think of some other options for different areas of my yard in the back here. So we've seen some crazy things in our neighborhood, guys. If you've ever gotten your trees trimmed, I hope you've never had someone come and do it where they just completely chopped off the top. That's called crepe murder where we're at. You see this crepe myrtle right here we have going on. We still need to do our winter trimming of it, but we've seen a lot of people just cut off the top. It's ridiculous. It's crazy. And I know some people may think that's a good way to do it, but I've never seen it come back looking very good, or I know it's not healthy for the tree. Even though I hate it, I think I'm going to have to kill all of the ryegrass back here and everything. I just got too many weeds, and I really want the Bermuda to come in real nice, and I'm just gonna have to kill all of it. Let's go take a look at the front yard. I haven't walked out there in 3 or 4 days, and this is our first real sunny day in a long time, and I want to just check it out to see where we're at. You can see that my grass is still pretty short right now, maybe an inch or so down to the soil. It's probably just a little bit above where I want to maintain it next year. It's pretty short right now for most people's standards, but I want to try and keep it really low this year. I'm going for the real low. You can see some areas where it's getting a little bit more green, just mostly because of the warmer weather. I'm not quite ready to just go full in and just scalp it down quite yet. The pre-emergent works pretty well in the fall. I don't really have any weeds in the front yard, except for maybe here 1 or 2 in the sidewalk. I probably forgot to spray the pre-emergent over by the sidewalk areas and the sidewalk cracks. But throughout the front yard, I don't have any weeds. It's really nice. Next video coming up, guys, we're going to be talking about our reel mower. I have a True Cut P20 that we got last year. This thing is awesome. If you don't know much about reel mowers, it's the type you want to get if you're looking for a nice golf course type of looking grass, fairway type of grass cut. So you can see the reel acts like scissors against a bed knife and cuts the grass a lot cleaner than a rotary mower does. So it's amazing to machine, and next week we'll be greasing this baby up for a good spring scalp and mow. Alright guys, that's all we got for today. Please like this video, and if you want to keep seeing more, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.